This brand new single-level home with no steps offers the perfect blend of comfort and style with no steps, making it ideal for easy living. Featuring 3 bedrooms, an open floor plan with tall ceilings, and modern finishes, including luxury vinyl plank flooring and quartz countertops, designed for both elegance and functionality. Enjoy the outdoors on the covered back patio, or take advantage of the walking paths throughout the community. The yard comes with a sprinkler irrigation system. This home offers everything you need for convenient living. Close to I-5, 25 minutes to Bellingham and the border. Limited time savings up to $8,000 with seller and 0.75% lender credits through 12/31 with our preferred lender, Becky Farrar at Evergreen Home Loans.